Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to see oil filtration in transformers. Oil filter are used to remove the impurity, moisture and particulate matter from insulating or cooling oil in electrical equipment. Cleaning oil ensure the better dielectric strength, improve cooling and extended life of the equipments. Our company provides a service on oil filter installation, oil purification, oil testing, filter element replacement and periodic maintenance. We are the best company who provide the best maintenance and the best service in Saudi Arabia. We have the best experienced engineer and technicians in our company. This is a clip on our company engineer and technicians working on oil filtration. For installation and maintenance service and testing, contact our electrical load company for the best output. Thanks for watching our channel. Give your love and support to the comment section and subscribe the channel.